on, man.
Dude, get out
Josh,
my face.
hey, dude, whoa.
Last thing we need right now is more footage.
Wait. We need an update from you guys. Come on, man. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Whoa! Hey, somebody help me.
All right.
Wait. Get ready.
Yep.
Gotta pull me hard.
Yep.
Whoa, Jesus.
Now get back on
All right, guys. I totally get it. It's taking way too long to edit. I get it. All right. Let's just do a quick summary, guys, to get us up to speed.
All right, so here's how we get up to speed with the engine. As you can see, we got the engine and transmission in the car. We got the distributor in, we got wires on, we got a carburetor on, wrong one by the way. We got the radiator in, we got the front cut out, we got all those things done, but you haven't seen any of it. So here's a few little snippets of us doing it along the way.
Here's an update on the interior of the car. We got all new floor pans, Model X Tesla seats. Thank you, Elon. We got our roll cage, 4-point, all welded in, installed. And the only little thing that we gotta do is fix our transmission tunnel.
What about the floor? What'd you do there?
Cut it out and put all new.
Awesome.
All right, so we got the gas tank installed. We finished up the rear suspension with these nice leaf springs, these adjustable shocks, and these slapper bars. That way we can avoid the axle wrap when we're going down the drag strip. We got the rear differential installed with the tires, and we also got that nice brand new custom, shout out Fleet Farm, drive shaft put in so that this bitch can actually roll down the road. We are running rust.
Hey,
No brakes, no brakes!
Wait. Rolling rust.